In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots with Copilot. Okay, so assuming I have my Microsoft Edge, by default, Copilot comes in as a default application. So I'm going to click in from the side chat feature, and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and add to your presentation or to your chat that you're going to do with Copilot. So let's say I'm going down here. You can see this plot sign. Once you click on it, you can see take screenshot, and you can just click. So you can define exactly where you want to take the screenshot. So for example, I want to take the screenshot of Trump over here. So I can just select and just release, and I can copy this. Okay. So I can copy and or save it or add it to the clipboard so I can continue with my chat. Okay. So let's say I click to select it, add it to my clipboard, and it is now adding. All right. So what can you tell me about this news? And you can see it is going to go ahead, give you the key points from the news about it, and then some key things you should understand about the news that it has captured directly from here, and even some contextual breakdown of the news, basically risks and implications of the news, some takeaways from the news. You can see how detailed this is just from a mere screenshot. Okay. So you can take screenshots of other places or of key things, areas that you want specifically explained. Like you can take the screenshot of this car and ask for its history and what brand, how price now, and so on. Okay, so go ahead, learn how to take screenshots of different things within your browser and then use it to understand or to have more conversations with the AI. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.